Here we are at TTW installations. We've just completed a dash camera install on this brand new Audi S6. We've installed the BlackVue DR900X Plus into the vehicle, and I'll just show you the level of install that TTW offers. So if you have a look at the front camera here, that's the front camera install. Inside here, as you can see, there's barely any wires which are just disappearing into the actual binnacle itself. The camera also doesn't obstruct the sensor on the rear view mirror like other companies may install in front of. And if I'll also show you the installation on the rear for the rear camera. The rear camera is there, completely invisible installation into the rear of the vehicle. If you'd like any further information from TTW as regards to the BlackVue dash camera range and our Pro installation, then please give us a call on 01159 599 995.